What's going on, YouTube? Today I got a package in the mail. It's definitely Monument Metals. I got a scissor and a knife. So let's see what we got. Guys, take care of your health. I've been so sick since Tuesday last week. So if I don't sound like myself, it's because my voice is really jacked up. It started with a sore throat, COVID negative, flu negative, strep negative, but it's just been kicking my butt. All right, so this total order was $643. Got some pre-order items in it that no one's seen yet. No one's done a video on it yet, which I'm pretty excited about. It's a new Buffalo Warrior rounds. But I placed this order on June 22nd. Obviously, silver was still around 20 at the time, but they had a super low premium on it. Oh, let me give the certificate of authenticity for the Germania mint. I guess that kind of blows that surprise. So that'll be in the box. Open this up here. So hopefully everyone's doing well. Let's keep stacking your silver, keep collecting. It's definitely a fun way of setting some savings aside. Oh, they sure packed this well. All right, so we got a tube. I got these 1/10 ounces that I wanted, and the Germania stuff. All right, let's start with the Germania. So I got these for $38.47 each. I think they're like $37 now, but they are definitely collectible. They're really pretty rounds. This is Germania mint. Hildegard. Here's the reverse. 5 mark. Stunning detail. Cool picture of the wolf, coat of arms. And you get a certificate of authenticity with it as well. 4 nines. And only 25,000 of these pieces, so I figured it'd be a nice piece of silver to resell, and it comes with a capsule. They do a really nice job on their finishes. No milk spots, capsules are clean, very pretty product. So Monument Metals has really good prices on Germania mint stuff. So I picked up 3 of those. These next guys are pretty funny. I like this pirate coins. I bought them when they first came out. I think it was like October last year. And these are the little bounty coins. Oh, that's not focusing very well. Let's see if it focuses now. So those are cool little 1/10 ounces. And I got these for $5.64 each. Probably sell them for like $11. Just because they're cool. So I got 6 of those. And then here's the brand new round. Let me zoom out here. That I don't think anyone's done a video on yet because these just came out. I had to pre-order these. I mainly ordered them because they're Indians, they're Buffalo. So I figure it's safe. So anytime you can get silver at a low premium, these at the time were $24.73 each. And I think that's when silver was about 20. And got the whole tube of it for $494. So I've not bought silver for $500 for a tube of 20 ounces in a while. But this is what they look like. I'm okay to touch it without gloves. Touch the edges here. So this is the reverse. It's a cool little buffalo with a nice Aztec or Indian type design. And there's a chief on the front. which fills up the entire coin. And nice reeded edges. So I think they're cool looking alternatives to the standard Indians that everyone has with the buffalo in the back. Very cool looking piece. So I'll be listing these on eBay. And I got a tube of those. So when I list my stuff on eBay, I list each one individually. I take pictures of every single round, just as if you were buying it at the local coin shop. So you know exactly what you're getting. I don't use any stock photos. All right, well, that's my nice short video for today. Appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll do some more as I get more stuff in. Have a good day, rest of you.